Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Daniel's Hungry. I'm Daniel, and today we're making homemade butter, guys. Let's get started, guys. We're gonna use 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, and then we're gonna add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, okay? And this is supposed to make about 8 ounces of butter. So let's get started. We're gonna try it out. Here's the tricky part, trying to get the salt in here, right? It's a 1/4 teaspoon. And done. That wasn't so bad. So we're gonna go ahead and turn this on. We're gonna put it on high blend, okay? And then we're just gonna keep an eye out to see how it's gonna go, okay? Let's see it transform. It's already whipping. So that was about 50 seconds. Let's check it out. Oh, it's up. Shoot. That butter already? Is that butter already? Not even a minute? Let's try. Let's try it, I guess. Let's try it, I guess. Hold on. Nope, it's heavy whipping cream still. So let's go ahead and just kind of mix it and see if it keeps going, okay? We're gonna go ahead and just kind of move it around. But it does have a little buttery flavor to it. And now we're gonna go ahead, guys, and put this thing on pulse. Or clean, whatever you want to do, okay? Guys, it's the same thing, same button.
There's no soap.
Okay, guys, it's starting to look like some butter. We're gonna go ahead and do it one more time, guys. And just kind of get it in there. And let's try it again. Pulse. Oh, cancel. Pulse. See, now what it's doing is taking away the liquid from the butter, okay? So we're gonna keep going. We're gonna keep going at it probably another 2-3 times. Let's try it again. Oh. Alright guys, so we put the pulse one more time, and then we figured it would try to do the low setting. So we go ahead and did it on low, and it looks like it's working now. So it's been on low for about 1:40. Alright guys, there it is. There's the butter. You see it still has the milk. That's called the buttermilk. Alright guys, so this bag, it came with the blender. Okay, it's a sac filtre. I guess it's in French. Okay. Yeah, it was. The back side's in French. Guys, you gotta look on this side. So it's a strainer bag. Okay, velvety smooth filtered milk. Okay, so we're gonna stick this butter in here and we're gonna get the buttermilk out. Okay, then once that's done, we're gonna go ahead and put the actual butter in the, cool. So we're gonna put this in the bag afterwards, and then we're gonna put it in the fridge. Okay. That's a bag. That's the only thing, man. Like trying to get stuff from the blender. That's the part that kind of blows. But
maybe you use the spatula.
I mean, I guess yeah. I'm just gonna mess up this whole bag. That's a pain. My wife tried to fold it so it could not get everywhere, but it ain't happening, Captain. I don't know. Maybe they need to make like a. Did it come with a spatula thingy or no? No. All right. Okay, Instantpot. Maybe you guys can get like a little spatula thingy or something so we can get the stuff out of here easier than my big old spoon. There we go. Hey, it's coming. Avalanche. All right. So that's out. So now, I guess I need to squeeze it out. Oh. Ew. Hold on, I got it. Ew, guys. Okay, this is the first time I do butter, okay? And apparently, ew.
It was no point.
Yeah, apparently. I squeezed everything out and left nothing in the bag, so that was pretty pointless. Okay, so don't do that. Don't be doing that crap. Oh my gosh, what a moron. Well, it got strained out. Let me wash my hands. Alright guys, so the stupid bag was a no-go. So we're just gonna go ahead and put this butter in this little plastic bag. And then we're gonna make a little knot in it. Oh my gosh, I'm making a mess everywhere, dude. I suck at this.
That's not the way you put it in.
Oh my god. And like they make stuff hard for people, normal people. Right? And then, oh, they make it look so easy on TV. Yeah. Not having it, Captain. Oh, this looks so gross too. I'm sorry, guys. Hold on. I'm trying to get the air out. I think I'm gonna mess that up too. Hold on. It's so hard, huh? Alright, I got most of the air out. Screw it. Bam! Now you got a bollies, guys. A butter bollies. No, I'm just kidding. We're just gonna put this in the fridge. We're gonna tighten it up. Whoa! There. Butter. All we gotta do now is put it in the fridge and put it on some pancakes or something. Or I don't know. Or cook with it or something. So that's how you make butter, guys, in your Instantpot blender. Alright guys, I'm back and now it's time to test out that butter. Okay? What better way to test it out than with toast. So let's go ahead and toast it up. A few minutes later. Alright guys, our toast is done. Let's go ahead and take it out. It's hot. So now what I'm going to do is cut out a piece of butter. Okay, and make sure not to put none of the wrapping, the bag. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it here and see if we can spread this butter like normal butter. Okay, so far so good. There's the other piece. Alright guys, well there's the butter. Let's go ahead and try it. I think I over toasted the bread, but let me keep going. Maybe I need more butter. I don't know. I can't taste it. Hold on. So yeah. I'm gonna have a butter sandwich.
Oh my god.
There's the butter. It tastes like butter, guys. So it really tastes good, guys. It tastes like butter. So I give it a thumbs up. Okay. So I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys try it, send me pictures, send me something. Comment down below. You know what you guys think, and follow me on TikTok also for little short recipes I got on there too. So thanks for watching, and remember, only the strong subscribe.